Everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x is equal to 60. What is the value of x? Now, if it is your first time to come across videos from this channel, please like and subscribe. Now, let's prevent the solution here. So this exponential equation is in the form of a to the power n times a to the power m, which we can express as a to the power n plus m. Applying this property, then here we have 5 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 60. The next step is that we have 5 to the power x plus x, which is 2x. This is equal to 60. To solve for x, we introduce logarithm on both sides such that we have log 5 to the power 2x. This is equal to log 60. Now, log 5 to the power 2x, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which you can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, then log 5 to the power 2x becomes 2x log 5. This is equal to log 60. So let's divide both sides by log 5 by log 5. We simplify here so that now we have 2x is equal to log 60 divided by log 5. We can express 60 as 12 times 5. Now, this means that we have 2x. This is equal to log. This is 12 times 5 divided by log 5. Now, log 12 times 5, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have 2x is equal to log 12 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5. Let's simplify here. Log 5 and log 5 simplify, so this is 1. So that we have 2x is equal to 1 plus log 12 divided by log 5. From here we can express 12 as, this is the same thing as 4 times 3. So this implies that here we have 2x is equal to 1 plus log 4 times 3 divided by log 5. Now again here, log 4 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, which you can express as log a plus log b. So this is 2x is equal to 1 plus now here we have log 4 divided by log 5 plus log 3 divided by log 5. The next step is to divide both sides by 2, so that now here we have that x is equal to 1 over 2 plus, now here we'll have half log 4 over log 5, then plus half log 3 divided by log 5. The next step is that a half is common here, so we can factor out half so that we have half into the parentheses 1 plus, now here we have log 4 over log 5, then plus log 3 over log 5. The next step is that log 4 over log 5 and log 3 over log 5, this is in the form of log a over log b, and this we can express as log a to base b. Applying this property, then we can express x as half into the parentheses 1 plus, this is log 4 to base 5, then plus log 3 to base 5. So this is the value of x, this is the value of x, and therefore let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify here. Now, if you recall here, we entered 5 to power x times 5 to power x. This is supposed to give us a value of 60. And this exponential equation is in the form of a to power n times a to power m, which we can express as a to power n plus m. So this guarantees us to have 5 to power x plus x, which is 2x. This should give us a value of 60. So let's substitute the value of x. So we have 5 to power 2 times x. X is half into the parentheses 1 plus, this is log 4 to base 5, then plus log 3 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 60. Now let's simplify here by 2, so that now we have 5 to power 1 plus log 4 to base 5, then plus log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 60. Now, 5 to power 1 plus log 4 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n times a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 5 to power 1 times 5 to power log 4 to base 5, then times 5 to power log 3 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 60. The next step is that 5 to power log 4 to base 5 times 5 to power log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is supposed to give us a value of a. Now, applying this logarithm property, this implies that 5 to power log 4 to base 5, this is the same thing as 4. And 5 to power log 3 to base 5, this is the same thing as 3. Substituting this implies that we have here 5 times 5 to power log 4 to base 5, this is 4, so multiplied by 4, then times 5 to power log 3 to base 5, which is 3, so times 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 60. Now, this implies that 5 times 4 is 20, 20 times 3, this is the same thing as 60, which is equal to 60. So clearly, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is basically a half into the parentheses 1 plus log 4 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Kindly like and subscribe.